You know, as I walked around the room tonight, I would have to praise and thank probably 70–80% of you for what you've done for me in my life and the interaction we've had. It's a tremendous group. You know, in maybe 2 years after I started practicing, I was doing defense work and in my dad's law firm. And I thought, you know, I'm okay at this, but I don't know if I really cut out for this. So I looked for a little firm, a two-person firm, and I became the third person in the firm down in Santa Ana, California. And I got to tell you, the first day I got to meet a client, I mean a plaintiff, an individual human being, not an insurance company. I'm not saying that some people aren't cut out for that, are cut out for doing insurance work, whatever. But I got to tell you, that was probably the best legal day of my life, representing that person, interviewing the client. And I can tell you, I've never looked back. It's a special thing. So when I look out amongst all of you, I think we're all aligned. I mean, I listened to Kay McVeigh. I listened to Bob Pack. My God, I said to somebody there, I said, how can I come up here after what he's been through and what he's doing for everybody? Makes me want to work harder. Makes all of us want to work harder. Bob's, experience and his dedication. But what this is all about is incredible. We got to keep it going. I've known Harvey and Jamie way back when I was with CAOC in the 90s, and they were always up there in the legislature working. Nancy Drabble will tell you that. She remember, we always see them up there. And what they've done here is just incredible, what they built here. But we have to help them. We really do. And I mean, I think we have to obviously contribute. Like Brown says, we have to pay back. But we have to give of our time too. And it's made me just being involved here tonight has made me think I've got to be more involved and help. And I think we help this group, and I think we all do. So I'm just really honored. I mean, when I listen to the stories here tonight, my grandkids are here, and I think they want to hear, Chris Moore and J.J. Abrams and whatnot, and the movies and the Transformers and all this. My God, I mean, I sort of came up for that, so I'm waiting to hear that. Yeah. But I got to tell you, this is a great group. So, but I do want to do this. I want to acknowledge my family, Melody, and our kids. And they're here, and I appreciate that. My grandkids, Marky and Ella, are here. And then my law firm, and a lot of the lawyers that worked on Toyota with me are here. Mark and Frank, Mark Selzer, Frank Petrie, and Wiley Aiken, and I'm sure I'm missing somebody. All the people in our firm, Scott Wilson, Kevin. Now I'm going to get in trouble because they all worked on the case, and I have to list about 15 people. But it's incredible. Our staff, and what I said on that film is right. I'm just blessed, and another person I want to praise because he cares about justice, and it's good to have someone who's a district attorney that cares about justice. And really, I mean, the type of things that we're concerned about, and that's Tony Rackauckus, RDA in Orange County. He's here tonight, so we. So I'm just proud to be with you tonight and to be one of you. And I'm going to continue to come back here and really work with Jamie and Harvey. I mean, what they've done and what they've built with this organization is incredible. So let's give them a big hand tonight. Anyway, I'll end with this, that, it is really true that when you're doing the Lord's work, when you're doing the work of angels, you know, helping people, it is easy to do it, isn't it? I mean, because I think most of you that are here are doing that. You're helping people, and you could keep doing that forever. I think that's something that is better than anything we could do. So that's what I'm doing, and I'll just keep doing it until they pull me off the stage, like right now. Thank you.